So, in today's lesson, we will study how to respond to the question, how are you? Let's take a look. Most students will study the greeting, how are you, in their first English class. This is a greeting that is very similar to hello. As a beginner student, this is okay, but this phrase is a little formal. We can also say, how are you doing? Or, how's it going? These have the same basic meaning as, how are you? And these are a little more informal and natural. So, how can we respond to these greetings? The most common way to respond is, good. How are you? I'm good. We can also say, pretty good. Or, not bad. How are you? I'm pretty good. And you? It is always a good idea to return the question. To do this, we can say, and you? Or, how about you? Next, if you are very happy or you are having a very good day, you can use these words. Great. Fantastic. Amazing. Never been better. How's it going? Great. Usually when we use one of these words, we are going to add a reason. We will say why we are feeling so great. Like this. How's it going? Great. I moved into my new apartment yesterday. It's really nice. Now let's look at some phrases you can use when you are not good, but you are not bad. You're just normal, or maybe a little bad. I'm okay. I'm fine. All right. How are you doing? I'm okay. If you use this, many people will think that maybe you're not having a good day, but you don't want to talk about it. Of course, the meaning of these can change with your intonation. For example, how are you doing? I'm okay. This could mean that you really are okay. You're not feeling bad. You're not having any trouble. But if you say it like this, how are you doing? I'm okay. Most people will think that you're having a bad day. Now, let's take a look at some phrases that you can use when you're having a bad day. Or maybe you don't feel so well. Not so good. I could be better. How's it going? Not so good. Here, you should be careful. If you say one of these phrases, the other person may ask you why you are feeling bad or why you are having a bad day. How's it going? Not so good. What's wrong? Of course, here you can give a reason why you are not having a good day. Sometimes you're having a bad day, but you don't want to talk about it. In that situation, it's best to use these phrases. I'm okay. I'm fine. All right. Usually with these phrases, people will not ask you, what's wrong? Last, let's look at a situation when you are having a very bad day, or you're feeling very bad. Horrible. Terrible. Hey Randy, how are you? Horrible. What's wrong? I have a very bad headache. Horrible and terrible can be used to say something is very bad. Of course, the person you were talking to will ask you why. So, be ready to give a reason. Today's homework is very easy. In the comments section, please answer my question with what we learned today. How's it going?